Alright, this is how you can reset Adobe Photoshop to default settings. I will show you two ways how to do it. The first one is to launch Photoshop. Access the Edit menu at the top, then Preferences at the bottom, and finally, General at the top. Here's a button that says Reset Preferences on Quit, which means Photoshop will reset to default settings the next time you close it. To proceed, click it, then confirm the reset and quit Photoshop, and it should be reset. Now for the second way, which may be safer in some cases. Start by opening a File Explorer. In the address bar, type %appdata% and hit enter. This will take you to the roaming folder where Adobe keeps Photoshop configuration files that you need to delete. Go inside the Adobe folder. Next, navigate into the Adobe Photoshop 2025 folder. Here, the top folder called Adobe Photoshop 2025 Settings needs to be deleted, but instead of deleting it, rename it by adding the word backup to it. This will make it inactive, but not delete it. What that means is, when you launch Photoshop, it will create a replacement folder with fresh settings. And if for some reason something does not work out, you can always go back and restore the backup folder by removing the word backup from its name. Let's see if this works. Launch Photoshop and everything here is clean. You can see the newly created replacement folder. Let's just delete it and restore the previous settings by removing the word backup from the original folder. There, everything is as it was before. This is why this method may be a bit safer, just in case. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more Adobe tutorials. See you next time.